This is a Global Domains International review and why GDI is still a smart online business for 2025 and 2026. Because yes, we are right there at the cusp of 2026 already, my friends. Are you looking for an affordable, legit way to start earning online for now and the future? Today I'm talking about a company that's been around since 1999. Okay, Global Domains International, or GDI, and why it's one of the smartest, most stable ways to build an online income. Okay, it's not going to disappear on you because it's been around so long. Now, that's not a guarantee, of course. Here's a brief history as GDI provides a .ws domain name, hosting, professional emails, and a simple affiliate program that's been paying for well over 20 years. How it works is just for $10 a month and you get a free 7-day trial. You get your own domain name. Mine is carol.ws, is what I chose. You get web hosting, professional email addresses, and the ability to earn commissions when anyone joins you through your link and also joins you through your referrals links down 5 levels. Okay, so leverage counts. If you're not using leverage, you're never going to earn serious income online. Okay, so why is it stable? There's no hype, there's no guessing. It's a real product, okay, that people actually use for their business. Who doesn't need a .ws domain or a domain name? It's your real estate. It's your online real estate. Okay, and why I use it is because it fits perfectly in my funnel. And you see one of my pages right here, one of my capture pages right here. It's duplicatable, it's simple, and it's easy for beginners. It's just a simple share code that you put in and you set up. You set up your email series, and I have training videos to show you how to do it. If you're looking for a low-cost, high-trust way to get started online and to build an income, GDI is a solid choice. I'll leave my link below. Again, it's carol.ws, so you can check it out. Grab your domain and start your online business today. And if this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. And God bless you.